Today we'll see one of the most frequently asked interview question, that is how to print 1 to 10 numbers in Oracle. It can be achieved by using connect by level, anonymous block, with loop and without loop. And also we'll see how to print even and odd numbers as well. Let us discuss one by one. Connect by level. In SQL, if you want to loop or iterate n number of times, we'll make use of connect by level. So this is the query which is used to print 1 to 10 numbers in SQL. So next one, by using anonymous block. dbms underscore output dot putline is the Oracle predefined package which is used to see the result on the console. So if you execute this block, 1 to 10 numbers will be printed on the console. So it will loop for 10 times and output will be displayed on the console. So next one, without using any loop. It can be achieved by using Goto statement. Let us see what it is. A is declared and initialized with value 1. So if you execute this block, what will happen in the sense like, first of all, start will be printed on the console. After that, A has 1, so 1 will be printed. As we are incrementing with 1, so A has A plus 1, so now A will have 2. Go to first, it will go to first, and again it will print 2. Now A has 2, we are incrementing 2 plus 1, now A has 3. Go to first. So it's an iteration process. So n number of values will be printed on the console. What our exact requirement is that we need to print only 1 to 10 numbers. So that if you want to achieve this condition, we need to put a condition like if it reaches to 10, we need to come out of that block. So if A is 10, then it will go to last, it will print end. So required output can be printed on the console. It is somewhat tricky, we'll see one more time. A is declared and initialized with value 1. So if you execute this block, what will happen? Like start will be printed, A has 1, so 1 will be printed. As we are incrementing with 1, so A has A plus 1, now A has 2. Go to first, it will go to first and it will print the value 2. Again we are incrementing 2 plus 1. So A has 3. Go to first, it will print. So now A has 3. So if you execute this block, start 1 to n numbers will be printed. Up to buffer flow error occurs, it will print. So what our exact requirement is that we need to print only 10 numbers. So we need to put a condition like if it reaches 10, we will come out of that block. So if A is 10, so condition satisfied, then it will go to last, then it will print end. So exact requirement like 1 to 10 numbers will be printed on the screen. Now we'll see how to print even numbers. So we're just multiplying with 2. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. So even numbers will be printed on the console. Next one is the how to print odd numbers. This is similar to even numbers, just we are multiplying with 2 and subtracting minus 1. So odd numbers will be printed on the screen. So if you want to solve this interview question, you should have better understanding of the following topics. One thing I want to share is that many of the interview questions can be solved by using connect by level. So have a better understanding of this topic. So if you want to practice these things, browse this URL in Google Chrome. No need to download or install any software. Just browse this URL. In mobile also you can able to do. Make sure that while practicing, you're not putting any semicolon. If you put semicolon, it will throw an error. Next upcoming video would be like how to update male to female and female to male. And also if it is 1, we need to make it as 0. And if it is 0, we need to make it as 1. This is also one of the frequently asked interview question. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.